I found us another cruise deal. This time, $235 for 7 nights. Girl, I don't know how I found it, but I found it. And guess what? If you are going solo, the deal is still good. Still gonna be under $300, y'all. Let me show y'all how I found it. Y'all already know we're gonna start on Google. So once you get to the Google search, go ahead and put MSC in. And it's probably gonna be the first one, but put MSC Cruises in, y'all. Go ahead and click on the first one, MSC Cruises America. Y'all know I have so many deals with MSC Cruises, but if the deals are coming, I'm going to have to tell y'all because maybe y'all couldn't go on the dates that I said before. And this one is an even better deal than last time. Once you get to this website, you're going to go ahead and click on like the MSC Cruises symbol up here. So we can go to the home page because for some reason they do not go directly to the homepage. I don't understand that. But that's besides the point. Let's go ahead and find this deal. So you're going to scroll to where it says filters right here. Click on filters. And we're going to click on number of nights. That's 6 to 7 nights right here. And then press search. But yeah, I seen this, y'all. And I was like, oh, it's a better deal than December? This is a January deal, y'all. What y'all gonna be doing after the holidays? It look like cruising. Okay, once you get to the next page, go ahead and go to the sort by feature right here and click on that and load a high. You wanna go load a high. Okay, once you click on load a high, you're gonna see the very first one, y'all. 7 nights, Caribbean and Bahamas. This is the MSC Seaside. I believe I went on this one because this one's leaving Miami. So this one is going to Bahamas, their little island, Ocean Cay, and then Nassau, Bahamas. So this is a Bahamas cruise. But one thing about next year, y'all, I'm going to take a whole lot of reset cruises. I don't really care where we're going. I need a break. And if the price is right, I'm going to take a break. But anyway, let's move on. This is going to be for January the 19th, which is perfect after the holidays, y'all. Save $200. Don't spend it all on Christmas. Save $200 for this. Go ahead and click on select. It's $235 a person. If you could take somebody with you, even better because you'll be paying the $235 per person. But if you can't, I'm about to show y'all that your deal is going to be good too because y'all already know I cater to my solo travelers because guess what? We don't wait on nobody to go. We go by ourselves if we have to. And you know what? We have a good time. Once we get to this next page, you're going to go ahead and if you have 2 people, it's already set for that up here. So that's a $235 per person. But if you're going by yourself, then go ahead and click edit up here and just put 1 adult and then go over here to next. And then once this pulls up, let's see what it says. Okay, 7 nights, $273 by yourself. Now, you know, on all the other cruises, if you're going by yourself, you're still going to pay for a double room. It's still going to be, you know, the 235 times 2, even if it's one person. Not on MSC. That's what I love about MSC, y'all. $273 to take a 7-night cruise by yourself. Anyway, go ahead and click select. Oh, hold on, y'all. They got some extra perks on here. It says you get up to a $50 onboard credit. I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. Okay, go ahead and press select. And then next. The fact that it's under $300 for 7 nights, like, girl, yes, anytime. I don't know how many cruises I'm going next year, but if they're $200, a lot. Once you get to this page, okay, so it's in the interior room. You'll get a $30 onboard credit. Oh, that is really nice, y'all, because I really don't be trying to spend no money on the cruises. I just be trying to relax. But if I'm going to get a $30 credit, I might get me a little drink or something. I don't know. So the first one you're going to click on is interior. And for the $273 per person, this is the solo price, y'all. You know it's $235 if you have somebody to go with. But press select. And then go down here to next. Once this pulls up, I think it's asking about the dinner preference. So let's look at that. Okay, it's just saying what experience you want. We want the included experience, the one that's $0 more. These are not even available, so you couldn't do it if you wanted to. But it's just telling you that your Bella experience is included, which is a basic experience. But you can make your own experience when you're on that boat for 7 days. Like, girl, you don't need that extra cost experiences. There's things to do on the boat anyway. Okay, so once we get to the next page, go ahead and select your dining preference. I suggest you do an early dining. If you can't do super early, like 5:30, do 7:30, because 9:15 is really hard to get to. It's like so late. You don't know if you're going to be tired. You don't know. So I would select 5:30, to be honest. I just select 5:30. 7:30 and 5:30 is not available. And if you have to do 9, I know I ain't finna go every night to dinner if I gotta do 9:15. But once you select your dining preference up here, come down here and put your information in. We just gonna put random information in because we're just trying to get to the part where we are getting to how much it's gonna be or how do we pay. So I'm just putting random stuff in. Hopefully it takes my randomness. And let's just put some numbers in there. Okay, you can just go ahead and put all your information in, and you're gonna click on this, I guess. Yeah, it says sign up for text, and okay, I don't know if you gotta click on this or not, y'all. I might be sending stuff to your email, but anyway, go ahead and press next. And once we get to the next page, I think it's gonna ask for insurance. It is. There you go. There you go. Okay, so if you do need insurance with your cruise, they do provide it. It's an extra $47. I'm going to select no. And then we're going to press next again. And on this page, it's going to tell you exactly how much you're going to pay for this 7-night cruise. I say 7 days or 7 nights. It's one of them. 7 days, 7 nights, one of them. This cruise is leaving Miami. It's coming back to Miami for the $270, $279. I guess they really just be rounding up at the $273. Anyway, this is your price. So you're going to go ahead and click accept terms and proceed to payment. Let's see where it's going. Okay, once you proceed to payment, this is the ways you can pay. You can pay with Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, and Google Pay. And then they're going to send you an email with all your cruise information, and you can be ready to reset, relax, or just have a good time. I know mine going to be resets. Mine going to be resets, y'all, because a cruise is a great way to reset. Don't miss out on this deal, y'all. I know you're probably saying, girl, we've been to the Bahamas so many times. We tired of the Bahamas. These kind of cruises are for resets, for relaxation. We don't really care where the boat is getting off at. I can tell you one thing though, the Ocean Cay, their island, I love it. That's my favorite part. Bahamas, been there, done that. I really don't be trying to spend no money when I get to the Bahamas, but their little Ocean Cay island, I love it. I love sitting out there looking at the water, just feeling, just getting all the sun in. It really feels like a vacation when you sitting by the beach. It just does. But yeah, y'all, I hope everybody gets this deal. I'm going to go ahead and mark it as I might go. I don't know, y'all. It's deals like this all this time, so I never know if I should just go ahead and book it, because what if I'm trying to do something else at this time? I don't know. But 7 nights sound really good for $272. It just does. Like, girl, just book it, girl. Just book it. It's only $272. But I hope everybody gets it that wants to go. Get your little reset in after the holidays. You already know y'all gonna need to relax because the holidays are stressful, especially when you've been stressing your pockets out. Right. If you have never been on a cruise before, all you need is your birth certificate or your passport. If you have a birth certificate, you're going to need your driver's license or your ID and your birth certificate. If you have your passport, you're just going to need your passport. But as long as the cruise is like leaving the U.S. and coming back to the U.S., you only need a birth certificate. And if this is your first cruise, y'all, you might as well book it. 7 nights. When y'all gonna find this again? When? But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
You have
up.
to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road
have to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.